Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr.Soma.Homeopathic homeopathic specialist, are here once again there to clear certain myth regarding homeopathy, as I have come across so many times with these people are talking about this. I have seen patients are constantly asking me about these things regarding homeopathy. Even my fellow colleagues, doctors, those who are allopathic doctors, they have also certain myths regarding homeopathy, and I thought this is the better to by clearing certain doubts and make the people more aware about the reality instead of taking the myth into the consideration. So the first, today I'm going to discuss and clear uh, at least five myth what I always come across. So the first thing which so many people say and they tell me that all homeopathic medicines are same. So as I told earlier, also that medicines are, see, the homeopathic medicines are derived from more than 3000 sources, and active principles are extracted into various solvents. And the sugar pills, you always see the white pills as a homeopathic medicines, but in my earlier video also I told you that these pills, the sugar pills, basically मीठी गोलियाँ जो होती हैं, they are basically the carrier, and we have derived medicines which we pour into it, and as a carrier they just act as a carrier, and we pour a medicine into it, and then it will become a medicine, and then we serve it to the patient. And I must tell you that if two people are suffering from the same disease, that time also we are not going to give the same homeopathic medicine, as I told you that. So homeopathic medicines are basically beliefs in individualization. So that is the first thing which I guess I'm clear with. The second thing is that people say that homeopathic medicines contain steroids. This is a very routine questions and routine belief. So let me clear this also. Homeopathy believes in correcting the disorder instead of suppressing, unlike steroids based drugs. Therefore, using steroid is against the philosophy of homeopathy. All homeopathic medicines use scientific method of extracting medicinal properties from the natural substances. Therefore, there is no need to adulterate the medicine with any other substance, as that would eliminate the curative property of the medicine. So no steroids in homeopathy, and keep this thing clear in your mind. Third thing is, which is a very general myth, that is homeopathic medicines are very slow to act. See, this is, I'm practicing since 15 years in homeopathic as a homeopathic specialist, and I never seen a patient coming to us directly for any of the elements. The patients which are coming to us generally have a fair round of visits to different conventional medicinal doctors. Either they went to a allopathic doctor, either they went to a ayurvedic doctor, and all the sorts of the treatment they take first, and once they are not finding any sort of relief and they are not getting any results, in that case they come to us. So the disease being traveled so long, and that becomes a chronic disease. So once a patient comes with a chronic disease to us at last, so basically it becomes a complicated disease also, as he is going through so many doctors and taking so many of treatment, and there is a suppression. So curing at that level becomes obvious a little taking time, because the disease has been become chronic. So in that case it acts like that. But if you talk about the acute elements, in my practice also, I'm treating so many patients with the acute elements. They have come for 3-4 days, they are suffering from cold, cough, coryza or fever. In that case, we act as fast as the other medicines, rather better than that. So this is a complete myth that homeopathic medicines are slow to act. Then certain people ask me so many times ki ma'am, as we are taking homeopathic medicines or either we are taking allopathic medicines, we cannot take both the pathies together. See, there are certain conditions and cases, in that cases, as per your doctor's decision, there are certain conditions where when the people come with a chronic elements, drug dependent diseases, they are suffering from. In that case, being a homeopathic doctor, sometimes we have to go with you just keep continuing the allopathic medicines, and along with that we give the homeopathic medicines, and gradually as per our seeing the case, we either taper off the doses, or we stop the allopathic medicines. But it's sometimes there are so many cases where the allopathy and homeopathy runs together, but as per your doctor's knowledge and its supervision. So there's nothing like the things does not work. The research says that sometimes it works wonderfully. So again, this is a myth. Then homeopathic, the very so many people say this, whenever they see the results with the homeopathy, they say is that homeopathy are merely placebo. First of all, we should understand what are the placebos are. See, placebos basically during the trial, when the group number of people have given the pills which were not medicated, they have find with the improvement on their psychological plane. That was merely a psychological plane. So we say that these are the placebo effects. So the people say when the homeopathic medicines act, they are a mere placebo. So see, that is not possible, because we can see there are so many reversible pathology and which get back to the normal. So mere on the placebo effect you cannot get the things back to the normal. So again, this is a complete myth. So see, the making this video and making this myth clear, that is basically to make the people more aware of the what is homeopathy is about, and how it works. So believe in it and trust in it, and in my practice, in my 15 years of practice, I'm seeing the miraculous results with the homeopathy. But keeping the things doubtful and not getting the clear idea, that give a hindrance to the knowledge of pathy and its action. So being a homeopath, I would like to tell you that you people are free there to ask me any queries and any questions regarding any doubts regarding in homeopathy. I'm there to serve you, and follow homeopathy, and see the treatment, and once you'll get into this treatment, you'll come to know what it is. It's a holistic, individualistic, and a complete science of healing. Thank you so much.